Today we would like to introduce you to the Current Tools model number 752 conduit bending workstation, which includes a print table for blueprint viewing, conduit storage racks for storing conduit or UniStrut, a pipe vise unit, a mechanical bender for bending half-through 1 1/4 EMT conduit, as well as half-through 1 inch rigid IMC conduit, a convenient ratchet handle storage, and a storage tray for storage of miscellaneous parts or fittings. To operate the mechanical bender, you would first lock the swivel casters and then rotate the bending shoe to the proper type conduit that you will be bending. On our shoe, we have silver for EMT conduit and blue for rigid conduit. To rotate the shoe to the correct position, you lift the ratchet arm into the up position, and that allows you to rotate the shoe. We will put the hooks in about the 0 to -5 position to load your conduit. The integral pipe vise on the mechanical bender side of the bending workstation allows you to securely hold conduit or UniStrut for cutting or marking for bends. Once the bending shoe is in the correct position and your conduit is marked to the desired length, we'll slide the conduit over the roller support, through the shoe groove, and into the hook. The bending mark should be at the front edge of the hook. To start your bend, you will release the ratchet handle by pulling the quick release pin and lifting the handle out of its storage unit and inserting it into the ratchet arm. At that point, you will go to the up position and start your bend by pulling down on the ratchet arm and engaging the shoe and the pawl and continue to do your bend until you reach the desired degree. There is a degree indicator on the shoe that will get you the degree of bend that you're trying to do. Once you've completed the bend, return the ratchet arm to the up position, store your handle, and remove the conduit. The bending workstation has a storage tray for storing fittings or miscellaneous items, and it can also be used as an additional conduit storage rack. Now we will take a look at the print table side of the conduit bending workstation. Once you get the unit to where you're going to be using it, you need to lock down both of the swivel casters on the unit to keep it stationary, and then extend the stabilizer leg on the bottom of the unit and rotate it to the floor. To raise the print table, you will release the latch on the side and lift the table up until it stops. Once it stops, you will release it and ensure that the linkage pins rest in the bottom of the J-slots on both sides of the unit. To lower the print table, lift up on the table with one hand while raising the linkage arm with the other, and slowly lower the table. Once the print table is secured, you will rotate the stabilizer leg and retract it back into the storage tube.